Well, good morning. This is Tutu Signs at Aloha Food Forest, and I'm just out in the front forest garden with a beautiful banana, and these are pigeon peas underneath the banana, which do a great job of supporting the banana because she has a heavy weight there. So it's always nice for them to have some support. But I really just wanted to share with you this beautiful moment here. So we have the wheelbarrow here. We are going to get some aloe vera and green onions and put them up on the front for the neighbors. Are you ready? Here we go.